Welcome to Sanction Check 5 Batch Review Tutorial. Sanction Check's batch search allows users to search a list of people or businesses against several sanction lists and to review and report the results. There are 3 steps in the batch search process. The first 2 steps, updating a prime list and running a prime list, are explained in our prime list upload and run tutorial. When Sanction Check completes processing a batch, it sends out an email with a link to the batch's review page for quick access. You may also access this batch by opening the Action Items page on the Sanction Check website to select the batch from your list of active searches. Once you log on to Sanction Check, you will see your action items. This list shows all batches that are in pending review state, as well as batches that are queued or running on the Sanction Check batch processor. Remember, if your batch is queued or running, it is not ready for review. Each row shows a batch's unique batch ID, the batch name created by the user when the file was uploaded to a prime list, the submitted date showing when it was run, status, type, E for employee, physician, or other persons, and V for vendor. It also lists the submitter's username and the number of potential matches in the batch. Select the row of the batch you wish to review to open the batch results page. The name of the batch is shown at the top of the batch results page. In parentheses at the end is the batch ID, which uniquely identifies it. Displayed below the name is important information about the batch: the prime list name and prime ID, date submitted, the batch ID for the master batch selected by the system, and search type. Also shown is the record count, which is the number of total records in the batch and the number of names to review. On the lower section of the batch results page is shown a list of batch search entities. Each row provides the entity name, status, sanction list codes in which potential matches were found, your unique identifier for the entity, and the number of potential matches to be reviewed. By default, only entities that have potential matches and are pending review are shown. You may reset the filter by clicking on the filter symbol next to status, using the pop-up menu to clear or change the filter. We recommend leaving the default filter set to show pending review only during the review process. Now let's click on the first row in the batch results page to begin the review. The batch name is shown at the top of the page, and as you can see, all information submitted in the batch for the search entity is listed below. The bottom half of the page lists the sanctions returned that are potential matches grouped by the sanction databases where they were found. The sanctioned name is shown on the left, with additional information about the sanction displayed to the right of the status options. Here is where you will follow the steps provided in the single search tutorial. Remember, clicking on the Complete button will automatically change the status of all pending review sanctions to Ruled Out. After selecting a status for the name, you will be returned to your pending review list, where you can continue your review process. Thank you for using Sanction Check 5.0.